You won't believe how easy it is to make over $400 a day without leaving your couch. I'm talking about a side hustle that even the laziest person can do. No fancy skills, no crazy hours, and absolutely no stress. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In just a few minutes a day, you could be earning real money online, using tools that do most of the work for you. It's possible, and I'm going to show you how. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to make some extra cash without all the hassle. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making money online the easiest way possible. So, why is this side hustle perfect for lazy beginners like us? Well, first of all, it doesn't require any special skills or experience. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a degree in design. In fact, you don't need any experience at all. Everything is super simple and can be done from the comfort of your home. The best part? You don't have to spend hours working. This side hustle is all about working smarter, not harder. Plus, you don't need a lot of money to get started. There's no significant investment required. You just need a computer or even just your phone and an internet connection. With these basic tools, you can start making money quickly. Now let's dive into the first step, creating designs using AI tools. Don't worry if you've never done anything like this before. AI tools make it incredibly easy. You don't need to be an artist or even have a creative bone in your body. The tools do most of the work for you, and you get to enjoy the results. First, you'll want to find a good AI tool that generates designs. There are a lot of free and easy-to-use options out there. One of the best tools to use is a website called Ideogram, which is similar to Midjourney, but completely free. This platform is perfect for generating images and logos that look professional. All you need to do is type in a few words describing what you want and adjust the settings, and this will create the design for you. For example, if you want to create a t-shirt with a cool slogan, just type in your idea, and Ideogram will give you a bunch of designs to choose from. Once you've got a design you like, you can tweak it if you want, or just go with what Ideogram generated. It's that simple. You don't need to spend hours brainstorming or struggling with design software. The Ideogram takes care of all that for you. Just know that creating designs with Ideogram is quick and easy and requires almost no effort on your part. Once you've got your designs ready, it's time to turn them into cash. The first place to start is 99 Designs. This is a platform where people and businesses from all over the world come to find designers. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional. Even beginners can jump right in. On 99 Designs, you can participate in design contests. Clients post what they need, like a logo or a t-shirt design, and you can submit your AI-generated designs. If the client likes your design the best, you get paid. It's as simple as that. Jobs can range from $299 to $899, making it a lucrative way to sell your designs. Since the designs are created using Ideogram, it doesn't take much time or effort to participate in multiple contests. You don't have to win every contest to make money. Even if you win just one or two, it's extra cash in your pocket for minimal work. Plus, the more you participate, the better your chances of winning. And who knows? You might even get noticed by a client who loves your style and wants to hire you for future work. Now that you've dipped your toes into the world of design on 99 Designs, it's time to expand your opportunities. The next platform you should check out is DesignCrowd. Like 99 Designs, DesignCrowd is another place where people go to find designers, but it offers even more chances to make money. On DesignCrowd, you can also participate in contests. But what's great about this platform is that there are more types of projects to choose from. There's something for everyone, whether it's creating logos, business cards, or card design. This means more chances to win and more money to make. Plus, DesignCrowd has a feature called Jobs. This is where clients post specific projects they need help with, and you can apply to work on them. If they like your portfolio or past work, they'll hire you directly. It's a great way to get consistent work and build a steady income stream. The more you explore and participate on platforms like DesignCrowd, the more opportunities you'll have to earn. And remember, since you're using Ideogram to create your designs, you can produce high-quality work quickly and easily. So don't stop at just one platform. The more you put yourself out there, the more money you can make. After exploring 99 Designs and DesignCrowd, it's time to add one more platform to your list, PeoplePerHour. This site is perfect for beginners who want to make money online with minimal effort. Just like other platforms, PeoplePerHour connects clients with freelancers, but it has a unique feature that makes it stand out. On PeoplePerHour, you can create hourlies. These are pre-packaged services that you offer at a fixed price. For example, you could offer to design a logo within 24 hours for $20 or up to $150. Since the designs are made using AI, you can deliver them quickly and easily, making this a super efficient way to earn extra cash. Clients who are in a hurry will love this option, and it's a great way to attract more buyers. What's great about PeoplePerHour is that you can set your own prices and choose the work you want. Whether it's graphic design, logos, books, and magazines, or even 3D design, you decide what you want to offer. The more hourlies you sell, the more positive reviews you'll get, which will help you attract even more clients. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to help you succeed in this side hustle. First, always keep learning and improving. Even though AI does most of the work, understanding design basics can help you create even better designs that stand out. Second, don't get discouraged if you don't win every contest or sell every design. It's all part of the process. The more you participate, the better your chances of making money. Keep putting yourself out there, and the results will come. Lastly, remember to manage your time well. Since you're working across multiple platforms, it's important to stay organized. Set aside specific times to work on your designs and check for new contests or jobs. Consistency is critical to building a steady income. So there you have it, an easy, laid-back way to make money online in 2024, even if you're just starting out. By using AI tools to create designs and selling them on platforms like 99 Designs, DesignCrowd, and PeoplePerHour, you can start earning up to $400 a day with minimal effort. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.